Anand Sinha, Anand Sandhu, Andrea.
The valedictory speech was delivered by Anuba Katuria on behalf of the students, where she reminisced the 2 years that was spent at the institute.
Life is nothing but a series of transitions. Some transitions last longer than the others, and some are more influential than the others. When we first came to this institute, we were right in the middle of a transition, which took 2 years and withstood many failures to achieve its proper belonging. The truth is that today is the last day of a very important part of our lives. It represents an end. Gone are the days when we call people on the phone and tell them that we are MBA students and would like to do a project with their company. Or when we'd cry and laugh together in the placement seasons. Gone are the days when we'd organize amazingly successful events and conferences, despite our recurring behind-the-scene conflicts.
Eminent scientist Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar, who has under his belt the Padma Shri and the Padma Bhushan, was the chief guest at the convocation function and spoke on changing India and how we can contribute to the country.
In the first 50 years, 1947 to 1997, we built 11 kilometers of 6-lane highway every year. The subsequent 5 years, we built 11 kilometers of 6-lane highway per day. That's what I mean by change. That's what I mean by rate of change. That's what I mean by rate of change. So if you look at the present and start looking at this rate of change, and you can project yourself into the future, you can see what India is going to be. India and the expectation around India is very, very different indeed.
He also pointed out that earlier there was a brain drain in the country, and the scenario is now changing, and Indians are now returning back to their country.
India is the land of ideas, but United States of America is the land of opportunity. And that is why you find that to seize that land of opportunity, a lot of young Indians have gone there. The very best of the best have gone there. And therefore, we feel proud when we hear their names and what they are doing. We hear about Swas Patil, Cirrus Logic. We hear about Desh Deshpande. I must tell you now, India is becoming a great land of opportunity. It's not what it was 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago. And the way it is changing, it's absolutely remarkable. NASSCOM data shows that around 30,000 professionals have come back during the last 3 years, scientists, engineers, technologists, managers and so on, and more are coming.
He also gave the students a piece of advice on how to survive in the world and gave them 3 key words for their success.
I believe that there are 3 things which are going to matter as far as India is concerned, which are going to be the key and very simple to remember, on the basis of which we'll make this march in the 21st century. They are talent, technology and tolerance. I repeat, talent, technology and tolerance. And 2 out of 3 will not do, by the way. We will have to have all 3.
During the months from March to May, Goans look forward to mangoes, especially the famous Malkurad, and the seasonal fresh cashew brew Urak. This seasonal beverage is a light alcoholic drink that is made from the juice of the cashew apple. Let's check how the initial procedure of extraction of juice. First, the ripe fruits are gathered and crushed by foot in a natural rock crusher. A pipe is attached to the crusher and juice drops into a container where it is kept till the day's cashew harvest is crushed. After the crushing procedure is done, cashew pulp is tied together and a heavy stone is kept on top of it till the last drops of juice are extracted from it. and is known as Nero, which is locally enjoyed but not sold on a large scale. The bulk of the juice collected in the container is then distilled to prepare the seasonal drink Urak. Peter Dias, a farmer, tells us about the demand for Urak and the rate.
पहिले काज एक टाइम होता है सोगलो काज एक टाइम केलो तो काज कोण मिरान घालताय मागीर तेंची बी ओळटाय बी ओळली म्हणटोर मागीर त्यो मोळटाय पांयान मोडल्यो मागीर ते सोपाणें घालताय सोपाणें घायलो मागीर तेजेर तो सोपाणें काज मोळटा आसतना तो रोस देंवता तो रोस येयलो तो मागीर उराकाक हय आनी
तो सगळो ह्यो सगळ्यो काज तुवें आमता
एकठांय केले मोडले हय हय
आनी मागीर सकयल ते आयदन दवरता
तो रोस
हय मागीर नीर कितें कोण कोताय
तो मागीर ते सोपाणें घालताय आतां तें सोपाणें घालता बांदिल्लें तें सोपाणें घायलें मागीर तेजेर हातोर दवरताय मातशें एक 2-3 मिनटां रावताय कित्याक मातशें दट हातो सगळो वचपा रोसा वयलो देंवलो मागीर ते दुसरो येता तो निरो आतां येता तो निरो दोत्ताय ते आतां
सोऱ्या भाशेन
ना हो रोस दिवं सोऱ्या भाशेन न्हू तो मागीर डिस्टिलरी कोत्ताय हेका हितून बाणाक घालताय आनी तो उज घालून तो डिस्टिलरी करून काडटा मागीर सोरो हो पयलो सोरो न्हू पयलो येता तो रोस ज्यूस काजू ज्यूस बेश्टो हय उर्राक हय उर्राक इंगताय हय हय एक 18 बॉटल्स तेजे वयताय 350 250 12चेर 12 होलसेल इंगताय आमी हय मागीर ते रेटल इंगताय हय
फेणी कितकोन कोताय
उर्राक घालताय एक दोब रोस घालताय 4-5 उर्राक घालताय आनी मागीर तो सेम प्रोसिजर हेजे भाशेन आतां उर्राक काडटाय ते भाशेन येयलो मागीर तेजी फेणी येता ती
हय आनी तुमी उराक कोण तुमी इंगतले
हय उर्राक हय
तुम कोण
आमी 12 कारांक घालताय व्हरोन उर्राक हय 12 कार मागीर ते क्वॉटरान इंगताय हय
आनी कितू एक बॉटल कितल्या वयता
आमी कॉर्स इंगताय 18 बॉटल्स 250 350 इंगताय
आको कॉर्स कितू
18 बॉटल्स
18
बॉटल्स एक कॉर्स हय
आनी
250 ते 350 रेट आसता मार्केट ना केन्ना मार्केट रेट चडटाय केन्ना देंवताय ते भाशेन.
That's all we have for you today. Before we end, here's a reminder of the headlines. Dr. Silvano Sepeco placed under suspension for botched autopsy report. Fiona Macchione accuses the police of links with the drug mafia, also requests police protection for her safety. Government open to the idea of handing the investigation into Scarlett's rape and murder to CBI. Government to formulate new mining policy before renewing leases. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and analysis for you. Until then, goodbye and good night.